Dear friends, in last class we have discussed about area of a triangle. In today's class we shall discuss about minors and cofactors. What is the definition of minor of an element and cofactor of an element? Now first, minor of an element. Minor of an element Aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its height row and jth column in which element Aij lies. Minor of an element Aij is denoted by Mij. This is the definition of minor of an element. So once again, minor of an element Aij is a minor of an element of a determinant. That is the determinant obtained by deleting its height row and jth column in which element Aij lies. The minor of an element Aij is denoted by M, capital Mij. M means minor of an element Aij, where Mij is the minor of an element Aij. So now, for example, one example, find the minors of all elements of the determinant. Delta is determinant of 1, 2, 3, 4. So using this determinant, find the minors of all elements. All elements means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Write the minors of elements. So first one, minor of an element. Minor of an element. Minor of an element A11, that is 1. Minor of an element 1 is 1 lies, that is first row, first column. So delete it, so becomes 4. Minor of an element 1 is 4, that is denoted by, in symbolically, M11 is equal to 4. Minor of an element 2. Minor of an element 2 is 2 lies, first row and second column. Therefore, the minor of an element 2 is 3. The minor of an element 3 is 3 lies, second row, first column is 2. The minor of an element 3 is 2. Similarly, the minor of an element 4. 4 lies, second row, second column. Delete that. So get 1. So therefore, minor of an element 4 is 1. So these are all. So write in symbolically. That is M12. Second element minor is 3. M21. Third element, second row, third element, minor of element is 2. Similarly, M22, that is 4, minor of element 4 is 1. So these are all minors of all elements given determinants. Now, second order determinant. Now, find the minors of element 6 in the determinant. Delta is determinant of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this determinant, find the minor of element 6. 6 is here, second row, third column, second row, third element. That is, since the element 6 lies in second row, third column. Delete it. So we get the second order determinant 1, 2, 7, 8. That is denoted by minor of an element. Minor of an element 6 is equal to second row, third column. Delete that. We get second order determinant 1, 2, 7, 8. So therefore, expand this determinant. 8 minus 14 is equal to minus 6. So therefore, the minor of an element 6 is minus 6. That is denoted by, and symbolically, M23. Second row, third column. I is to J is M23. That is minus 6. So one more, minor of an element 2. Minor of an element 2. The element 2 lies, so first row and second column. So first row, second column. So we get the determinant, second order determinant 4, 6, 7, 9. Expand the determinant. 9 4s are 36, minus 7 6 are 42 is equal to minus 6. Therefore, minor of an element 2 is also minus 6. That is denoted by, and symbolically, M12 is equal to minus 6. Similarly, minor of an element, one more element is 7. Minor of an element 7. The element 7 lies in third row, first column. So we get second order determinant 2, 3, 5, 6. That is equal to, expand the determinant. 12 minus 15 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, minor of an element 7 is minus 3, or that is denoted by M31 is minus 3. So these are all minors of all elements. The next concept is cofactors. Cofactor of an element. What is the definition of cofactor of an element? Cofactor of an element Aij, that is denoted by Aij is denoted by capital Aij. Capital Mij, that is cofactor of an element, minor of an element. Capital Aij, that is denoted by cofactor of an element, and is defined as capital Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij, where Mij is the minor of element Aij, small aij. Is the definition of cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element Aij, that is denoted by capital Aij and is defined as capital Aij is minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij. Now, for example, find the cofactors of all elements, or find the cofactors of element of the determinant. Determinant is 1, minus 2, 4, 3. So find the cofactors of all elements. Cofactor of element of an element 1. So first element equals minus 1 to the power of, so that is A11, that is I is 1, j is also 1. So we get the second order determinant, that is, so we get this only second order determinant. So 1 is 3. Therefore, minus 1 to the power of 2, that is plus 1 into 3 is equal to 3. That is denoted by capital A11 is equal to 3. Similarly, cofactor of an element minus 2. Cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element minus 2 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. Minus 2 element lies in first or second column. So into 4 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 is minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4. So therefore, cofactor of an element A12 is minus 4. Now, one example 1. Find the minors and cofactors. Find the minors and cofactors. Cofactors of the element elements of following determinants. So first one, determinant of 2 minus 4 0 3. And this determinant, using this determinant, write the minors and cofactors of all the elements. The minor of an element, that is minor, that is M11 is 3. The first row, first column, delete that. The minor of an element is 2, 3. The minor of an element, second element minus 4, that is M12. So first row, second column, delete that. 0. Minor of an element minus 4 is 0. The minor of an element 0, that is M21 is equal to, second row, first column, delete it, minus 4. A minor of an element 3, that is M22 is equal to, second row, second column, delete that. Minor of an element 3 is 2. These are all minors of elements. The next, cofactors of elements. Cofactors of elements is A, capital A, 1 1. That is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. So lies the element 2 lies first row, first column into 3 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 power 2 is plus 1 into 3 becomes plus 3. Cofactor of an element 2 is 3. Cofactor of an element minus 4, that is A12 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 minus 4. That is the element minus 4 lies first row, second column, 0 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 minus 1 to the power of 3, that is minus 1 into 0, 0. The next, cofactor of an element 0, that is denoted by A21 minus 1 to the power of high is to j is 1. A21 high is to j is 1 into minus 4 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4 becomes plus 4. Minor or cofactor of an element A22, last element is 3. Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into, so 3. That is equal to minus 1 to the power of 4. That is plus 1 into 3 plus 3. So therefore, 2. 3 is 2. 2. Minor cofactor of an element 3 is 2. That is plus 2. The next, one more example. Find the minors and cofactors. Find the minors and cofactors of all elements. The determinant A C, B, D. Now first find minors of elements, that is M11. Minor of an element A is D. Minor of an element C is, that is M12 is B. Minor of an element B, that is M21 is C. Minor of an element D is A. These are all minors of elements. The next cofactors of elements, A11, that is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. So into D is equal to plus D. Cofactor of an element A is D. Cofactor of an element C is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into B minus B. Cofactor of an element C is minus B. Cofactor of an element B, that is A21 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into C is equal to minus C. Cofactor of an element B is minus C. Cofactor of an element D is, that is A22 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into A is equal to plus A. So these are all cofactors of element, these two cross 2 determinant. Now 3 cross 3 determinant. Find the minors and cofactors of all elements of the determinant. That is, determinant is so write determinant example 3. Determinant of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So you know these identity matrix elements. So first minor of an element 1. So first row, first column, delete it, we get second order determinant 1 0 0 1. Expand this determinant 1 1s are 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Minor of an element 1 is 1. M11. M12 minor of an element 0, second element 0. So first row, second column, delete it. So get 0 0 0 1. 0 1s are 0 minus 0 0s are 0. Minor of an element 0 is 0. Minor of an element 0, one more, that is M13. So first row for third column, delete it. 0 1 0 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. The next minor of an element 0, second row, first element, that is M21. So second row, first column. So 0 0 0 1 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Minor of an element M22, that is 1. Second row, second column, 1 0 0 1. 1 1s are 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. The next minor of an element 0, that is M23. Second row, third column, 1 0 0 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. The next minor of an element 0, that is M31 is equal to third row, first column, 0 0 1 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. The next minor of an element 0, that is M32, third row, second column, 1 0 0 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. minor of an element lost 1 1, that is m 3 3, third row third column deleted 1 0 0 1, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So these are all these minors of elements. Then the next find cofactors. A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into, that is M11. M11 is 1, that is equal to plus 1. A12 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 means I is 1, J is 2, it is 0 is equal to 0. A13 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 into 0 is equal to 0. The next A21 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. A22 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. M22 is 1. Here 1. A23 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 into 0 is equal to 0. The next A31 minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. A32 minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. A33 minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 1. So these are all cofactors of all elements of the given determinant. Then one more example. Find the minors and cofactors of elements of the determinant. Determinant of 104, 35 minus 1, 0 1 2. Write the minors and cofactors. Write minors. M11 minor of an element 1 is 5 2s are 10. Minus into minus becomes plus. 1 1s are 1 is 11. Minor of an element 0. 3 2s are 6. Minus 0 is equal to 6. Minor of an element 4, that is M13. 3 1s are 3, minus 0 is equal to 3. Minor of an element 3, that is M21. Second row first column 0, 2s are 0, minus 4 is equal to minus 4. M22 minor of an element 5 is second row second column 1 2s are 2, minus 0 is equal to 2. Minor of an element minus 1, that is M23 second row third column 1 1s are 1, minus 0 0s are 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Minor of an element M31 third row first column 0 into minus 1 0, minus 20 4 5s are 20 is equal to minus 20. Minor of an element 1, that is M32 third row second column 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 4s are 12 is minus 13. Therefore minor of an element is 2. Third row third column 1 5s are 5 minus 3 zeros are 0 is equal to 5. So these are all minors of elements. The next cofactors of elements. So only sign changes, sign matra change ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It is a11 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into m11 is 11 minus 1 to the power of 2 that is plus 11 a12 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into 6 is equal to minus 6 a13 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 into 3 is equal to 1 into 3 3 a21 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to plus 4 a22 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into 2 is equal to plus 2 a23 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 into 1 minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 a31 minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 into minus 20 minus 1 to the power of 4 is plus 1 plus into minus minus 20 a32 minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 into minus 13 minus 1 into minus 13 plus 13 a33 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 into 5 equal to plus 5. These are all cofactors of elements. The next example, find minors and cofactors of the elements of the determinants. Determinant of 2, 3, 2 minus 3, 5. Second row element 6, 0, 4. 1, 5 minus 7. And verify that A11 into capital A31 plus A12 capital A32 plus A13 capital A33 equal to 0. So using this determinant, find the minors and cofactors. Minor of an element, that is M11 to 0 7 0 minus 20 is equal to minus 20. The next M12 minor of an element minus 3 6 7 minus 42 minus 4 is equal to minus 46. The next M13 minor of an element 5, 6 5s are 30 minus 0 is equal to 30. Minor of an element 6, that is M21, second row, first column, minus into minus plus 21 minus 25 is equal to minus 4. Minor of an element 0, M22, second row, second column, 2517 minus 14 minus 5 is equal to minus 19. Minor of an element 4 is M23, second row, third column, 2 5s are 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Minor of an element M31, third row, first column, minus 12, z minus 0 is equal to minus 12. M32, minor of an element 5, second, third row, second column, 2 4s are 8, minus 6 5s are 30, minus 22. Minor of an element minus 7, that is M33, 0 minus into minus plus 6 3s are 18 is equal to plus 18. So these are all these minors of elements. The next cofactors of elements, A11, that is plus into minus, it is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into minus 20 is equal to minus 20. A12, minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into minus 46 is equal to minus into minus becomes plus 46. A13, minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 into 30 is equal to plus 30. So A21, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into minus 4 is equal to plus 4. Minus A22, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into minus 19 is equal to minus 19. A23 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 into plus 13 is equal to minus 13. A31, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 into minus 12 is equal to minus 12. A32, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 into minus 22 is equal to minus into minus plus 22. Therefore A33, minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 into 18 is equal to 18. These are all cofactors of elements. Then verify that A11, A31, A12, A11, A11, verification A11, capital A31 plus A12, capital A32 plus A13, capital A33 equals 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is A11? A11 element is 2. What is A31? A31 is minus 12 plus what is element A12? minus 3 A32, that is plus 22. Element of A13 is 5, A33 is 18. So therefore that is equal to minus 12 2s are 24 minus 60, 22 3s are 66 plus 18 5s are 90. So therefore minus 24 minus 66 minus 90 plus 90 equal to 0. Therefore A11 A31 plus A12 A32 plus A13 A33 is equal to 0. Hence verified. The next one more example. So one more example using cofactors of elements of second row. Evaluate delta equals determinant of 538 201 123 using cofactors of elements of the second row. That means that is A21 capital A21 plus A22 capital A22 plus A23 capital A23. So using these cofactors, evaluate the determinant. A21 5, A22 3, A21 2, A22 0, A23 1. Find capital A21. Capital A21, that is cofactor of an element minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1. Second order determinant A21. Second row, first column 3 8 2 3. So we get minus 1 to the power of 3 is minus 1 into 3 3s are 9 minus 8 2s are 16 is equal to minus 16 9 minus 7 into minus plus 7. Similarly A22 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2, get second order determinant 5 8 1 3 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 4 is plus 1 into 5 3s are 15 minus 8 is equal to plus 7. Capital A23 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3, get second order determinant 5 3 1 2. So is equal to the second row, third column 5 3 1 2 minus 1 to the power of 5 is minus 10 minus 3 is equal to minus 7. So therefore evaluate that A21, capital A21 plus A22, capital A22 plus A23, capital A23, that is equals A21 is 2 into capital A21 is 7 plus A22 is 0, capital A22 is 7 plus A23 is 1, capital A2 minus 7, that is equal to 14 plus 0 minus 7 is equal to plus 7. Okay, stop here friends. So we'll continue in next class.